Hello everybody! I know it's a weird Saturday video, but I have a very, very special video to do. And we hit 700 subscribers last weekend, so we're going to give away some free stuff.
Never to the left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh god, oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
So, first and foremost, thank you so much to each and every one of you that has subscribed in the last month. It's great. I am amazed that we made it this far. So 700 is certainly a great number, and we're very thrilled that it's happened. So we're going to give away a mystery box. Your run-of-the-mill mystery box. It's going to be a bunch of this stuff, some of this stuff that's behind me, some of the stuff that's in this drawer, some of this stuff that's in this closet over here. We're just going to pick a plethora of things. Don't worry, we're not going to send you a bunch of junk that has been sitting around in here that doesn't sell. We're going to send you stuff that we know will sell. So, yeah, and we're also going to include some new swag. You'll get a couple Pittsburgh Picker stickers and probably a business card. You know, looks similar to this, but so yeah, you'll get a couple of these, so you can put them on your car, or you know, put them on your house. Maybe blow it up and make a big sign in front of your house that says like and subscribe. I don't know, but yeah, you'll get a couple stickers. You'll get, you know, I would say value wise, you know, you'll definitely make some money off of what we're going to send you. So, yeah. So how do you enter? Well, the first thing you have to do is hit the like button, which is like right here. Not the unlike button. We don't hit that button. This one, like. So hit the like button. And then you have to be subscribed to the channel. So, you know, if you're not subscribed, now's the time to do it. Just click that subscribe button. And then the third thing you do, and this is important, you're going to want to put the word sticker in your comment. So just like you're going to get a free sticker, you're going to want to put the word sticker in the comments below. And then I'll draw this on Saturday, so a week from now. So you got a whole week to think about it. And just make sure to comment before Saturday, or else, you know, obviously you won't win. You got to play to win. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you just for being you. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.
Good day, sir!